Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide objects in Roblox Studio without scripting, just by changing the parent property. Every object in Roblox has a property called parent. The parent decides where the object lives, for example, in workspace, in lighting, or in server storage. Let's say we have this part inside the workspace. Right now, everyone can see it because it's a child of workspace. To hide it, just go to the Properties window, find the parent property, and change it from workspace to server storage. Watch, as soon as I do that, the part disappears from workspace. Now it's safely stored on the server, and players won't see it. If you want to make it visible again, just change the parent back to workspace. The part instantly reappears in your game. And that's how you hide objects in Roblox Studio using the parent property. Super simple, and no scripting required. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials.